Kat and Claire are having a conversation about Kat's favorite number. Kat says, my favorite number is a two-digit positive prime integer whose first digit is less than its second, and when you reverse its digit, it is still a prime number. Claire asks, if you picked a digit of your favorite number at random and revealed it to me without telling me which place it was in, is there any chance I know for certain what it is? Kat says, nope. However, if I now told you that the units digit of my favorite number, you'd know which one it is. Claire says, now I know your favorite number. What is Kat's favorite number? Okay, so this problem is a little bit different in the sense that we have to use logic. We know that Kat's favorite number is a two-digit positive prime number, and when its digits are reversed, it's still a positive prime number, right? And there are only a few numbers out there that satisfy that. Well, first of all, it has to be two digits. Next, I'm going to claim that all its digits have to be 1, 3, 7, or 9. And the reason is, let's say one of its digits is even. So let's say one of its digits is even. So let's say that it's 2. So if the units digit is 2, like if you have 32, well, then the number is even, which means it's divisible by 2. However, if the tens digit is 2, then if the number is reversed, then the number is even as well. So therefore it's not prime. Therefore you can't have an even digit. And furthermore, you can't have a digit that's 5, because if you have a number like 59, then, well, if you reverse the digits, 95 is a multiple of 5. Which means that the only possible digits that Kat's favorite number could have are 1, 3, 7, and 9. And now it's best to write out all of the numbers that have first digit less than the second and all of its digits in the set 1, 3, 7, 9. So I'm going to write these numbers out. There are only 6 of them. And right away you can see that, hey, 39 is not a prime number. You can also realize that, well, not all of these numbers work when you reverse the order of the digits. Like 31 works, 71 works, but 91 doesn't, because 91 is 7 times 13, which means this pair doesn't work. Finally, 37 and 73 work, and 79 and 97 works. Which means you're down to 4 numbers, 13, 17, 37, and 79. Now Claire asks, if you picked a digit of your favorite number at random and revealed it without telling me which place it was, is there any chance I'd know for certain what it is? And when Kat says nope, we can now eliminate a few of the numbers, or at least one. Because let's take a look at this number 17. And let's think about what Claire says. Claire says, if you picked a digit of your favorite number at random and revealed it to me without telling me which place it was in. Right? So Kat, in this scenario, if he were to do that, would either say, I got a 1, or he'd say, I got a 7. And in both cases, Claire cannot know for certain what it is, because let's say Kat gave Claire a 1, and Claire could be like, okay, the number is either 13 or 17, and she can't draw any conclusions. And similarly, if she's given the 7, she could say, okay, the number could be either 17, 37, or 79, but I don't know which one it is. Right? And in the same vein, 13 and 37 are still possibilities. However, take a look at 79. 79 is the only number in this list that has a 9 in it. So if Kat picks a digit at random and he chooses a 9 at random, and then Kat would say, hey, I have a 9. And Claire would say, I know what your number is. It's 79, because none of the other numbers have a 9 in it. So that scenario, that clue eliminates 79 from possibly being Kat's favorite number. Now Kat says, however, if I now told you the units digit of my favorite number, you'd know which one it is. And if you take out the units digit, it's 3, 7, and 7. And think about what this means. Let's say Kat's favorite number is 37, and he says, well, the units digit of my number is 7. Then Claire could not draw any conclusions, because 17 and 37 both have units digit 7. However, if Kat says my units digit is 3, Claire could immediately say, I know what your number is, it's 13. And since Claire is able to figure out what Kat's number is, Kat's favorite number must be 13. And we are done. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.